Welcome to the world of soils. Today, we'll be taking a look at my favorite soil, the Octagon Soil Series, and my partner Connor's favorite soil, the Sonnet Series. The Octagon Series is located in my hometown of Elburn, Illinois, and the Sonnet Series is located in Miles City, Montana. Soils are so interesting and have so many different characteristics. Today we'll be taking a look at all these characteristics and comparing and contrasting these characteristics and showing you the beauty of soils.
Now, a little bit about the Sonnet series of soil. This soil is located in eastern Montana with a rather flat landscape. The soil is formed along stream terraces and sedimentary plains. This is due to the parent material of the soil being deposited from streams and rivers. The soil texture is classified as a clay loam, which means there's a high percentage of clay. If you've ever been to eastern Montana, this would be very apparent due to when it rains, this soil is very sticky. The average annual temperature for the Sonnet series is 44 degrees Fahrenheit. The soil is a well-drained soil and it does not get much precipitation, with an average rainfall of only about 13 inches per year. And due to the elevation of the soil, 2,200 to 3,500 feet, and its location, the soil does not frost for most of the year.
The Octagon Series has its taxonomic classes oxyaquic, hapludolph. Oxyaquic means saturated with water. Hapludolph can be summarized into minimal horizontation. It's an alpha sol and it's a part of the Udic moisture regime. The oxyaquic hapludolph does a good job representing the surplus of water in the soil. This surplus of water can be in large part due to the clays that are found in the soil that take up so much water with their large surface area. This large amount of water in loamy soil makes it good for agriculture. It's a relatively neutral pH, which also helps. There are roots that reach all the way down to the BT3 horizon in the soil, which is 74 to 96 centimeters deep. You'll also find that there are no rocks in this soil.
To compare these two soils, we will look at the hydrologic cycle and the land use management. For the Sonnet series, the T erosion factor, or the amount of soil that can be lost in tons per acre per year, is 5, whereas for the Octagon series it is 4. This simply means that the Sonnet series can lose more soil in a year before it faces serious side effects. Now, looking at the drainage of the two soils, the Octagon series has worse drainage than the Sonnet series. The Octagon series is moderately well-drained soil, while the Sonnet series is a well-drained soil. This leads to the fact that the Sonnet series has more plant-available water than the Octagon series. For land management, the Octagon series is better suited for forestry, whereas the Sonnet series is better suited for agriculture.
Wow, today we learned so much about the Sonnet and Octagon soils. These are just two soils out of a whole world of soils. The techniques and methods we use to examine these soils can only give us clues about what happened in the past and ideas of what's going to happen in the future. Soils are still relatively misunderstood, but science keeps getting better and better every single year.